channel. My name is Delene and today I am going to be doing a video on one of my wallets. It is the Emily Bloom wallet that I had bought maybe, I guess it's been a year already, and I do use it once in a while. I'm more into the smaller wallets now, but I still love this wallet due to the beautiful design on it. This just captured my attention, you guys, and I have to talk about it. It's got a little charm that hangs off on the wallet, on the zipper, and one side is pink, or a hot pink, and the other side is light pink. The inside interior is just gorgeous. The color is hot pink, and then the glazing, they made it light pink. It's just so beautiful. And one of the reasons why I love this wallet and I feel it's so versatile is because it does hold my phone. So it has a nice big space. Let's see, right here to hold my phone. Here's a pocket here, and then there's a bigger pocket here, and of course there's an area where you can put like receipts or coins or whatever. I try not to use the coin area as much because I hate it when wallets get bulky, but sometimes I'll stick a little bit here and there. And this wallet here I feel is so versatile because I can just grab this, stick my phone in it, grab my keys and put it in my pocket and just go. So I do use this wallet sometimes like that. So let me go ahead and show you what I've also do to get more use out of this wallet, because I don't use full-size wallets as much anymore. So you guys, here you go. I attach a little chain to this thing and I use it like a little crossbody, and you guys, it looks so adorable when I do. I love the length of it. It is just so cute. If I need anything, I'll just grab my phone, my card, whatever. I never overstuff this, because if I overstuff it, then it's not gonna work as well. So I love putting my phone in this thing, and usually when I carry this is when I'm out with my husband, so I don't have to carry my key fob. And if I do use this without my husband, I will stick my car keys in my wallet. So as you guys can see here, let me show you what I did. I did not add any hooks or anything like that on there. I simply just opened this wallet. I got my chain and I put it together just like that, wrapped it around, and just simply closed it. And this, when I do it this way, I just usually carry my ID, maybe one credit card, and my bills, and then my phone, and then that's it. And I just go, and I just think it's so adorable. I literally had a woman stop me and say, oh, they're making wallets on chain like that now. And I had to explain to her, nope, this is my Emily Bloom wallet that I've had for a while, and I just bought the chain and just stuck it in there. Now, I got this chain on Amazon, you guys. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I want to say it was less than $20, but I don't really remember because I've had this chain for a while. I actually bought this chain for my pochette accessoire because I do have two, and I wanted to carry them as crossbodies once in a while. Let me go ahead and measure this chain because I can't even remember the length of it. So I'm going to measure it from the clasp all the way down. So let me see how much it measures. It measures actually 48 inches. So 48 inches is what it measures. And I didn't really like the length of the chain as much. I bought it a little bit too big, but I'm glad I got this size because I've only used this chain on my pochette accessoire just one time. But I mainly use it for my Emily Bloom wallet, you guys. I am loving this and I enjoy this so much. I actually went to dinner with my husband and I slipped this chain on there and he was like, you got something new again? And I said, no, I just attach my chain on there. So he was like, oh, that's pretty clever. I was like, I know. And now I'm getting more use out of this wallet than I was 5 months ago or 4 months ago, because of the fact that I don't use full-size wallets as much anymore. I do use it once in a while, it's just not as much. So you guys, thank you guys for watching my videos, and I want to also, if you guys, so you guys, thank you for watching my videos, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I know there's a few viewers that have not subscribed to my channel. I would just so appreciate it. I would love that support. So I am asking if you guys can please subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell for notification so you do get notified when you do subscribe to my channel. I would so greatly appreciate that. And also, you guys have a wonderful day. I hope this tip helped, where you guys can start using your Emilie wallet if you guys want, as a little clutch or as a crossbody, however you want to use it. Now that you know that the phone, my iPhone X, does fit in there perfectly with lots of room as well. So you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.